So I made a shrug with my Ocean Waves shawl, and here I am wearing it over a white shirt. The other day I had it over a purple shirt, and I'll show that at the end of this video. I will show you how to make this shrug in this video here, and if you want to make this shawl that you make the shrug from, I'll have a link in the description below. You see, if you roll it along the neckline, it shortens the sleeve and shortens the back, so you can kind of customize it. All right, here are the instructions how to make it. Okay, so to make this shrug, what you're going to do is you're going to make the Ocean Waves Shawl. For mine, I used a worsted weight yarn, probably just Red Heart Super Saver with a 6.5 millimeter hook. You can use any size you like because this pattern is customizable. My dimensions turned out to be 40 inches wide from here to here, and then 30 inches tall. So when this is folded in half from here to here, it's 15 inches. So from here to here is 15 inches. Then what you're going to do is you are going to sew or seam this piece right along this edge here. This is going to be your first armhole over here. And then you're going to seam it also on the opposite side, and that's going to be your other armhole on this side. So then the way the garment works is it's like a little cocoon like this, and your armholes are here and over here. And then the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to do 2 more pattern repeats all around the opening of this shrug, or this sort of cocoon. And what that's going to do for you is it's going to give you these nice waves all the way around your opening for a nice finished look. So if you make this, let me know, and I'd love to see how yours turns out, and just tag me. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. Now, some of you may have noticed that on mine, when I did my extra 2 repeats around the opening of the shrug, you'll notice that I have this section here where I didn't do that. I kind of tapered it. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to fill this in because I think I would like it better if it was all the way around. So for those of you who may have wondered why I have this tapered here, this is the back here, and this would be like the bottom edge down by my hips on either side. So yeah, this is the starting row here, and from here to here is the seam, just like with this. The seam here is from here to here, and this is my arm opening, and then the same is over here. The seam goes from here to here, and there's my other arm opening on this side. So let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you make it. I'd love to see yours. So here is the Ocean Waves Shawl Shrug over my purple shirt, and let me know which you think it looks better with the purple underneath or the white underneath. And if you're wanting to know how to make the Ocean Wave shawl, it's a very simple rectangular shawl. There's a link in the description below.